This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light cluster bulbs renewal. Open the tailgate or boot lid and prise open the cover from the trim panel. Press the retainer tab sideways and withdraw the bulb holder from the light unit, then disconnect the wiring connector and remove the bulb holder. Depending on model, either press and twist the relevant bulb anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the bulb holder, or pull out the capless bulb. Insert the new bulb into the bulb holder. Depending on the model, either press and turn the bulb clockwise, or push the capless bulb into position. Reconnect the wiring connector to the bulb holder, then fit the bulb holder back into the light unit, ensuring that the retaining tab secures it in place. Refit the cover to the tailgate trim panel, then close the tailgate. Remove the screwdriver from the vehicle's toolkit. Open the tailgate, then prise open the boot side trim cover and undo the nut retainer using the screwdriver from the vehicle's toolkit. Remove the special tool from the vehicle's toolkit and use it to remove the light unit. Swivel the light unit outwards and disengage the retaining pins from the body. Disconnect the wiring connector as the light unit is removed. Undo the 3 nuts and remove the bulb holder. Depending on the model, either press and twist the relevant bulb anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the bulb holder, or pull out the capless bulb. Insert the new bulb into the bulb holder. Depending on the model, either press and turn the bulb clockwise, or push the capless bulb into position. Check the seal, then refit the bulb holder to the lamp unit. Tighten the 3 nuts to secure it in place. Reconnect the wiring connector, then fit the lamp unit to the vehicle, ensuring that the retaining pins engage correctly. Then use the removal tool from the vehicle's toolkit to fit and then tighten the lamp retaining nut. The boot side trim cover can now be refitted, and the special tools return to the vehicle's toolkit. Close the tailgate.